These are grinding wheels, which might be unfamiliar to you, but they are widely used in industries such as automobile, new energy, and aerospace, playing a critical role in manufacturing. In Jiangxi, there's a foreigner who has spent 10 years honing abrasive tools world influence.
So I came to China, to Jiangxi, 10 years ago. The reason I came here, it was a business opportunity. I got to meet my wife, and she's Chinese, and we have two beautiful girls. I also got my PR card, my permanent resident card. It's here. And now my life is not only a business opportunity, it's also becoming my life here in Jiangxi. There was a change, but the last 5 years it changed a lot. For example, I live in Nanchang. More and more kindergartens and schools are being built. Even the subway is new. Now there are 4 lines of subway. So the economy is growing. As a CEO of the company, we get more and more opportunities recently. Previously, this market belonged mostly to the foreign brands. Now the customers trust our products more and more. It was a teamwork. The guys here are very skilled. We have a very strong team of production, quality, and maintenance that are working together daily to solve the problems and the requests of our customers. Our company ratio of export and domestic market is like 30% to 70%, 30% export. We are exporting mainly to Europe, Southeast Asia, a little bit to America. In recent years, JSL made very big steps, especially in the automotive, in the bearing, in the wind power, aerospace industries. We got very new products. For example, this product is for gear grinding of the automotive transmission. We also have some intelligent manufacturing lines. We will see it also later. And this is our final product. It serves a major role in manufacturing industry, especially in aerospace, bearing, automotive, and machinery. I plan to continue contribute to this company and to this country as well. We are going to invest more in intelligent manufacturing. We are going to invest more in R&D. We are going to invest more in the human resource. We are planning to grow also internationally. We have lots of things to do. We are not stopping.